Let us see the key for 7th class. So the first question is, do we need energy while sleep? Yes, we need energy while sleeping to perform various life process. Why? Because even we are sleeping, respiration will be going on, circulation will be going on, all the life process will occur in our body. Second question, what are the essential components of food? The essential components of food are carbohydrates, proteins, fats. These three are required in major amounts, large amounts. In addition to these, we also require some amount of vitamins and minerals. So, the essential components of food are carbohydrates, proteins, fats, which are required in large amounts. In addition, we require vitamins and minerals also in less amounts. Coming to the third one, what is used to test starch? Iodine solution is used to test starch. Iodine solution is used to test starch. Okay. What are the sources of rough phases, children? Rough phases are nothing but fiber food. Bran, shredded beans. You can write shredded beans. Next, coming to leafy vegetables. All the leafy vegetables and wheat, bran, etc. So these are the sources of rough phases. Coming to fifth question, who discovered scurvy? Already we have seen that particularly in the science of nutrition, that nutrition was observed first or given first by a scientist called Lavoisier. And in the year 1752, James Lind, in 1752, James Lind discovered scurvy. Who discovered scurvy, we ask. So, in 1752, James Lind discovered scurvy. And how can it be cured? How can it be cured means, it can be cured by eating. It can be cured by eating fresh fruits and vegetables. By eating fresh fruits and vegetables. So, the science of nutrition was discovered by a Frenchman called Lavoisier. But in the year 1752, this Lind, a scientist, James Lind, he discovered the scurvy, and he also said that it can be cured by eating fresh fruits and vegetables. Okay, coming next question. Is it good to eat junk foods? No. It is not good to eat junk foods. Why? Because it damages digestive system. It damages digestive system. It damages digestive system. System. So next question, what is balanced diet? What is balanced diet? Coming to 7th question, what is balanced diet? Balanced diet contains carbohydrates, proteins, fats, vitamins, minerals, water and rough phases, in required amounts. So, balanced diet means the diet which contains carbohydrates, proteins, fats, vitamins and minerals in required amounts. Okay, let us see the next question. Describe the experiment to test the proteins. Okay, describe the experiment to test the proteins. Take little amount of protein paste in a test tube. Protein means you can take pulses or beans or whatever egg white you can take. In the form of a paste you take. Then add 2 drops of copper sulfate, add 2 drops of copper sulfate and 10 drops of sodium hydroxide. 10 drops of sodium hydroxide and shake well. Then violet or purple color. Then it gives violet or purple color, which indicates proteins. So, this for the test already we discussed about starch iodine solution is necessary. But here for proteins we need 2 drops of copper sulfate and 10 drops of sodium hydroxide in the test tube and have to shake well with the protein paste. Then what color will be obtained means violet or purple color will be obtained, which indicates proteins. Next, 9th one. The food items which contain more fat are. The food items which contain more fat are. The food items which contain more fat are. You can take vada or chips. These contain more fat. Coming to the last one. Dash helps to move the food easily in the digestive tract. Water. If you take sufficient amount of water, then that water helps us to the make the food easily move in our digestive tract. Digestive